This cake is loaded with apples. Watch how to make it here on Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. This cake may not look pretty, but it is loaded with deliciousness. You will need about 5 to 6 apples, depending on the size. If you can find green Granny Smith apples, those work best, but any apples will do just fine. We'll need 2 cups of chopped apples, and I'm going to add some lemon juice to prevent it from browning. I did not have enough green apples, so I'm using a red Fuji apple here. And if you're curious about baking something in the rice cooker, do put it in the comment below and I'll try to bake it for you. We'll need about 1 cup of sliced apple, and let's mix the dry ingredients together. And as a reminder, I do have the full written recipe, instructions, and oven baking right at the bottom of this video. Beat this for about 30 seconds. And if you are new to baking in your rice cooker, be sure to watch to the end. I do have some important tips to help you be successful, okay? Now beat this for about 1 minute or until it's light in color. Then fold in the flour mixture. And I fold it in because I don't want that cloud of flour in my face. Now beat this for about 30 seconds to combine it. As you can see, our batter is very thick. But don't worry, the juice from the apples will add moisture to this cake. And if you do enjoy my video and my recipes, may I ask you to please click that like button below because it does really help my video to be recommended to other viewers. Also, I love hearing from you, so make sure you put a comment down below. And be sure to share my videos on your favorite social media network, because I would love to have more people know that they can bake in their rice cooker. Layer the sliced apple on top like this, and I did not use all my sliced apples. Cover this with a paper towel to catch condensation, and then press the cook button. Now set a 30-minute timer, and this is 1 bake cycle. So that's about 5 to 10 minutes in high heat in the cook status, and about 20 to 25 minutes in low heat in the warm status. Check your cake after 2 baking. Nope, not done yet. Now you do have to repeat this bake cycle until your cake is done. And after 3 bake cycle, which is about 90 minutes, my tester is clean, so we are done baking. Cool this for about 20 to 25 minutes and slightly have it cover with that paper towel we just used. This will prevent it from over drying on the top. And if you baked a recipe of mine, please do share a picture or a short video with me because I love to see them. You can email me directly or send them to me through any of these social media networks. All the links are at the bottom of the description box below. And just look at this cake. Look how moist this cake is. It's loaded with apples and it tastes so good. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Pang and I do put out a new recipe every Saturday. So subscribe and you won't miss out on any delicious recipe, okay? This may be the best ever apple cake I have ever baked. And it's so simple to make. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. This is slightly sweeter than fruits, but it's not sugar sweet. Do watch more of my recipes. I have the links down the description box, or some will show up on screen for you here if you're using the YouTube app. Connect with me on any of these social media. All the links are at the bottom of the description box below.